I'm gonna do something now, so I'm getting bored. Hey, that's better now. Yeah. Ooh, listen to my mommy. Yeah, I can't hear it because it's not working. Anyways, I'm going to just go for a swim now, so yeah. Toodle. Bye from Katie and Joe.